Michael from Tucson, Arizona has a GFCI frustration.
Well, the problem is he put in replaced an old 15-year-old one, and the new one's giving him trouble. Mike writes, both are tripping with no load, and when I first try to reset, the breaker will trip. He says resetting the breaker and not resetting the GFCI, all the outlets that are loaded to the GFCI are fully functional. Only when I try to reset the GFCI does the breaker trip. So Michael wants to know what's causing this.
I don't know, but what I suspect is, and this is when you get an electrician out if it's not something simple.
Yeah.
Because this could be a sign of something really more serious in the breaker box itself.
Right. The GFCI is telling you have a bigger problem.
You sometimes can buy a GFCI and they're bad. I would go and, if you can, take it back or replace it with a new one to see if it continues. That's what I would do as a homeowner if I was going to be working on the system. If it continues to do it and you're sure you put it together right and didn't cross the line in the load, then it's time to find out if there's something with that breaker or in your breaker box.
So step one, check to see if the GFCI is bad itself.
And the only way to check it is to replace it with another one.
Okay.
You can't really stick anything in there.
And if you put another one in, you have the same problem, call an electrician.
Yeah, but make sure you install it right, because if you cross the wires on those things, they get all screwy on people.
People get screwy when you cross their wires.
Yeah, it's true.
It's the same thing.
You have your load and your lines. You got to be careful.
So here's what you do. Send us your lines, and we'll give you a load right here. Fair enough? All right. Send us your questions at HomeShowRadio.com. Use the Ask Tom form on our website. We'll answer them like we did these videos over yonder. And you subscribe to our channel, and we'll be just tickled pink.